When I was a kid, I was mean with a jig, catching pigs in the bog. My cast was nasty like eggnog.
He 16!
He needs to stay still.
Stay still, dude. Stay
Keep
still.
moving.
Stay still. Stay still. 16. 16?
Hold on. Now.
It's a pound over my goal.
15-1.
Just like I said in my movie. I wanted to break my best record.
15-1. Damn.
Get a picture of that. Get some pictures out here. Nice. Right into the net. Yeah. Out there. I got one. Woo, doggy. No help at all.
Hanging the smallies now.
That's a big one. That's a big one.
That's a big one, dude.
That's a big one.
You got it, Nick?
Get him in there! Get him in there!
Whoa.
On your PB. Holy shit!
PB day.
Holy shit! That's a 5.5, 6 pound smallmouth. Oh my God, kid.
Holy crap, dude.
Man.
Here, wait. Show me him one more time.
Whoa.
Ah!
That's a
BlackOpsFishing.com, baby.
fishing.com. Real undercover fishing.
I was bad with a jig when I was a kid, catching basses the fastest. That was me. I can throw a spro like a pro, yo. In the winter when you're fishing for basses, work your casts slow like molasses. When I was a kid, I caught more bass than you. I'm a 202, yo. I'm a 202. Me go, yo. Watch me throw that spro. I'm like Ish Monroe. I make the casts to the basses because I'm the fastest. I'm loved by the masses. They want to be me. They watch me on TV. When I was a kid and I was in class, the teacher kicking my ass because I was studying bass. Said, quit your bishing, and I ditched and went fishing, yo. Use a spinnerbait, I can't wait. It's my favorite bait, don't hesitate. Use an inline spinner, it might be a winner. Catching bass in the winter, working slow like molasses. Make shoal casts. I don't know why I would make shoal casts. Finally. That's like Ish Monroe. Yo. Watch me throw my spro.
There he is. That was an awesome hit, too. That's a nice one.
Dude, that's a lunker chunker. Just like Ish Monroe, yo. Watch me throw that spro,
That's
bro.
a 4-pounder.
How is that?
That's a nice fish, dude.
Look what she did.
That's a nice fish.
Just like Ish. I just had one too. I got him. It's a good one. That's a really good big fucker. Nice. This son of a big. Is my camera on? Yes, my camera's on. It's a big motherfucker. I don't want that fucker to jump out. Oh, stop swearing. You're on YouTube. Pistachio, watch this. Is this camera on? No. Whoa, look what he's doing. Yeah, I told you. Told you I was going to get a big guy. He wants to jump out. Oh, look how long he is. Get this camera on. Told you. Moon phase. I told you. This guy's big. Look at how long that son of a bitch is. Don't swear. Whoa! Look what he's doing to the boat. Whoa, that is a big galoot. Come here. Whoa, don't. Oh my God. That's a slob. That is a tank. Oh my God, he's back in the water. Yeah, that's what I told you I was going to get. We are off to Lake X. Stay tuned for some epicism.
Epicism?
Yeah.
Epicism. Sounds good.